around, went up, went down, hiked around, met some cool peeps. Looked at that cute fish, it's a dolphin, danced around all night. Sat in a wormhole, went up some mountains, ate a banana, got some sleep. Went to Australia, chilled at the beach and partied hard. Sat at a bench, smoked some weed in the park, at the beach, on the toilet, in their car.
Oh, you silly goose.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Smack my hand on the railing.
Stroke your beard.
This is Oceanic Blues. This is Oceanic Blues. This is Oceanic Blues. This is Oceanic Blues.
Hey girl, check Sammy out.
Don't you just love it?
No, photo.
Landed in Bali, got cheap massage, met some more friends, moved to an island and chilled in the sea. Saw some cool fish, turtles and tourists, partied hard, just slowly a boy. Took some diving lessons, visited some temples, fought a monkey over water and saw a volcano erupt.
What a mad lad.
Almost died in a scooter, got threatened by a taxi driver, got food poisoned and had the time of my life.
I love ice cream.
Yeah.
Oh, German girl.
Pick me.
No?
Hey girl.
This is Oceanic Blues. This is Oceanic Blues. This is Oceanic Blues. This is Oceanic Blues.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Get some mad footage. Absolutely.
Hey, let's go. I don't massage my kids.
Let's go up again. Stroke your beard.
This is Oceanic Blues. 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 This is Oceanic Blues.
Like a sick montage in there.
Oh,
It's like
fuck
90
yeah.
different locations.
I'm waiting for this.
You mad lad.